Good day, grade fours. It's great to be here again with all of you again today. I hope that you were able to have a chance to sing the rounds from last time. If you didn't, take a look back at lesson 1 and have some fun with that video. So today we're going to kind of review a song that we've heard before, but it was when I was teaching you live in your classroom, and some of you didn't get that opportunity. So it's going to kind of be an introduction for some, review for others, but either way, we're going to take a look at this new song called Plant a Tree. Now this song, it starts with a chromatic scale. Now does anyone know what a chromatic scale is? And remember, you can always type these things in comments or Teams or whatnot. Think about it for a second, chromatic. So chromatic is the word for color or colorful. It's kind of changing. So a chromatic scale is one that goes up by little bits at a time and makes a very interesting sound of scale. So a chromatic scale on a ukulele would sound like this. So it goes from one note to the same note an octave higher, but it goes up by little steps, called half steps. And when we write that in music, we use things called accidentals, which look like a little letter B or a little sharp sign, a little pound sign or a hashtag sign, something like that. So the way the song goes is it's going to start with a verse, and then it's going to go to a chorus that's actually in a different time signature. And it's going to go back to the verse, which is in the original time signature, and then it has a different time signature at the end for the last chorus. So try to see if you can hear the difference between what time signatures we're using. So echo after me, please. Our world is getting warmer every single day. The temperatures are rising, we can't stop it, there's a way. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Plant a tree and you will have better air to breathe. Make sure I have my first note right. There's more carbon in our air than there used to be. The temperature is rising, the greenhouse world will be. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Plant a tree and you will have better air to breathe. Very good. So if you're having a hard time remembering the lyrics, I do always have them in the slides as well so that you can take a look at that. So the way that the song works is we'd sing the verse together, and then the chorus is actually an echo. So when we're in class, I'll split you guys into two groups. So someone will sing the first part, someone will sing the echo. But today, what I want you to do is, some of you, if you want to sing with me, you could be the original part, and then some of you can do the echo, and I will point to when the echo happens. Because we normally go, plant a tree, plant a tree, plant a tree, plant a tree. And then we come back together to finish off the chorus. Plant a tree and you will have better air to breathe. Okay? So let's try that very slowly together. And this is our first note. No. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Our world is getting warmer every single day. The temperature is rising, we can stop it, there's a way. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Plant a tree and you will have better air to breathe. There's more carbon in our air than there used to be. The temperature is rising, a greenhouse world we will be. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Plant a tree and you will have better air to breathe. Very good. And you can play that sing that a few times through, and we'll practice doing it together in class as well when we're back together and do the different parts. I'll just make sure before singing anything as well that you do a little bit of a warm-up. I always have to remember that to remind you guys to warm up just so that you don't hurt yourself singing. So always big breaths, la 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 la. And I'll show you some other warm-ups when we get back together in class. Okay? There is also the movement activity at the end of this lesson that you can do, and I hope that you were able to have some fun with the Mask Musician. Remember, always put the mask and the top secret code back when you were done. Okay? Have a great rest of your day. Remember, God made you special, and He loves you very much. Bye, guys.